What if, in the blink of an eye, you could be anywhere? One moment, you're in your room. The next, you're watching the sunrise over Mount Fuji. This isn't science fiction anymore. Imagine a world without traffic, without long flights. Economies would transform overnight. But what would we lose? The journey, the quiet moments in between. If you could teleport anywhere right now, where would you go? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Every person would be a potential ghost, able to appear and disappear at will. Privacy would be a memory. Borders would become meaningless lines on a map. Would humanity unite, or would chaos reign? The power to be anywhere is the power to change everything. For more, follow and subscribe to Time Jump.